Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has declared to conduct judicial inquiry into the killings and other untoward incidents during the quota reform movement by students. The Premier said she further declared that judicial inquiry will be conducted for the sake of a fair trial and justice in the untoward incidents, including murder. She said this in a televised address to the nation on Wednesday evening. She called upon all to wait patiently till the Supreme Court verdict comes. The Prime Minister expressed her concerns about the safety of the agitating young students, saying the terrorists may harm them by creating an atmosphere of conflict at any time. Sheikh Hasina at the same time urged all to keep eyes particularly on the safety of the students of all educational institutions. She said she believes that the terrorists have entered into the movement and they are creating conflicts and anarchy. The head of the government declared to provide the necessary supports to the families of those who were killed.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।